Hi students, welcome to logarithms topic. As you know that we are talking about solutions of the problems based on logarithms concept. In that concept, now in this video we talk about this solution of the problem. The question is if log of x plus y whole by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. It is also most selected question for a board exam, and it is even for IIT foundation purpose also it is a selected question. Okay, clearly used by properties of logarithms we solve this question. Okay, is it clear? Now what is given? Log of x plus y whole by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. Finding x by y plus y by x value na? So we are trying to write we are trying to remove the logarithmic function on both sides. For that we have write this as single logarithm, like this we have write the RHS part also, then we can cancel log on both sides. Yes, because of log x is equal to log y to the same base can be written as x is equal to y. Based on this property we are going to solve this question. Okay, is it clear? Now log of x plus y whole by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into, see, sum of two logarithms with same base, nothing is 10 is the base, so log x plus log y can be written as product formula log of xy. Again, next step, log of x plus y whole by 3 is equal to, this is coefficient. If you shift to this right side, then it becomes log xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. Am I correct? Since n into log x to the base a can be written as log x to the power of n to the base a. Is it? So that similarly it is also. Now if you observe both sides logarithmic function is there. So log of x plus y whole by 3 is equal to log of xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. By this property we can write it as, we can cancel log on both sides. By removing log on both sides we can write it as x plus y whole by 3 is equal to xy whole to the power of 1 by 2. Am I correct? Now to remove this 1 by 2 I am squaring on both sides. By square on both sides, it can be written as x plus y whole by 3 whole square is equal to xy whole to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of 2. So square 1 by 2. By exponential formula these two are getting cancelled. Okay. By loss of exponents 1 by 2 into 2 gets cancelled. So what will be the remaining? X plus y by 3 whole square is equal to xy. Now expansion. It is like a by b whole power m. A power m by b power m, that is equal to xy. So it can be written as x square plus y square plus 2xy, that is equal to 9xy. Am I correct or not? Because 3 square, if you shift right side, becomes 9xy, and x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy. Implies x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. Now I want x by y. So if I divide both sides, if I divide this equation by xy, shall I get x by y plus y by x? Let me try. Okay, now divide by the term xy, then it becomes x square plus y square whole by xy, that is equal to 7xy by xy. Now xy gets cancelled. Here it is common denominator for both x square and y square, so that I am writing separate. I am separating the denominator for both terms. I am writing like this. That is equal to 7. Am I correct or not? If you take LCM, we get again same like fractions, these two are. Now x square by x prime is 1 factor is gets cancelled. So what will be the remaining? X by y plus here y square and 1y cancel. So y by x, that is equal to how much answer? 7. So it is our final answer. Therefore x by y plus y by x is equal to 7. We will solve now one more problem. See my dear, this type of problems, we have to write, we have to express the given as single logarithm, and we have to try to eliminate that logarithmic function. Then we will get the solution. Okay, then we get the answer easily. Is it clear? Right. Okay, my dear students, we will discuss one more problem that is most selected for competitive exams. See, find the number of digits in 4 to the power of 2020 where log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Is it possible to find 4 power 2020 with by seeing or by calculating 4? If you multiply 2020 times, will you get answer? Is it easy to find? It is very difficult. So that to find the number of digits in the given exponential form, we use logarithmic function, logarithms concept. It is most selected question in all categories. Okay, so that is, so take it as x is equal to 4 to the power of 2020. Before taking it, we should learn a small concept, that is, see here log 2 value is given as 0.3010. 0.3010. See here, before decimal point what is given? 0. After decimal point 3010 are given. So the value which is in integral part, this we call as integral part. Here we divide this decimal into two parts. One is integral part and another one is decimal part. So in this integral part is called characteristic. What we call it? Characteristic. This decimal part is called mantissa. What we call? Mantissa. Characteristic and mantissa. These two are keywords to this to solve this question. Is it clear? Now see what is the use of this one? Let me solve. Simple. In this 2 power 1, for suppose if I take 2 power 1, how many digits are there in this expansion? How many digits are there? That is my question. 1. In 2 power 2, how many digits are there? 1 itself. In 2 power 3, how many digits are there? 1. In 2 power 4, 16, 2 digits are there. Okay, is it clear? Now, already they are given log 2 value. Okay, so I am finding for log 2 square. My question is log 2 square, then log 4. Log 4, log 2 square. It can be written as 2 into log 2. They asked in 4 how many digits are there? We know. In 2 power 2 how many digits are there? We know. We will get only 1. 2 into log 2. 2 into log 2 value 0.3010. So it can be written as 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 threes are 6, 0.200. In this, what is the characteristic? 0. If the characteristic is 0, then the number of digits in the exponential given number is 1. We have to add 1 to the characteristic. This gives us the number of digits. For suppose I have taken out 2 power 4. 2 power 4. We know that in 2 power 4 how many digits are there? 2 are there. So by using this concept I am finding. It can be written as 4 log 2. Okay. 4 into log 2 value 0.3010. I am taking small values and I am giving clarity to you. Now multiply 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 3 are 12. After decimal point right side 4 digits are given 1, 2, 3, 4. So that 1 leave 4 decimals and put a decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is 1? We call 1 as characteristic. Now how many digits are there? This decimal point is called mantissa. Now how many digits are there? So what we should do? We should add 1 to the characteristic number. What is the characteristic here? 1 plus in formula 1. So how much? 2. So how many digits are there in 2 power, in the expansion of 2 power 4? 2 digits are there. Of course we know that is 16. Is it clear or not? Like this, similarly we find here also. So in this, take log. So log x is equal to log 4 to the power of 20. Now it is in exponential form. According to formula, it can be written 2020 into log 4. 2020. I am sorry. Before that, write they are given log 2 value now. So that write log 4 to the power of 2020. 4 can be written as 2 square 4 to the power of 2020. And it is in the form of exponential form like a power m whole power n. Formula is a power m into n. So the 2 power 2 into 2020 40. Yes. Now according to formula log x to the power of n can be written as n into log x. So that how to write log 2 to the power of 40? 40 into log 2. Am I correct or not? Yes. But they are given log 2 value. How much is given according to question? Log 2 is 0.3010. 0.3010. Now multiply these two. Then we get some answer. So what is the answer? You try once multiply. I multiplied, I got 1216.0400. 0400. Now in this, what is the 1216? What do you call this one? This 1216, as we call it as characteristic. Yes, this is characteristic. Then this decimal part is called mantissa. Okay, then what is our answer now? In characteristic is 1216 now. So how many digits will be in this expansion? So number of digits in the expansion of 4 to the power of 2020 is equal to 1216 plus 1 number we have to add. 1 we have to add. Then the answer is 1217. 1217. This is, see, these many digits will be in this expansion. Is it possible to multiply for us? 4 should multiply 20 times. So it is difficult to for us. So that if you use logarithmic function, it is easy to calculate. I understand? Yes, I understood now. It is very important concept. Practice 1 or 2 times. We can take any number instead of 2020 or we can take any number and we can try for this. If you want, you can test it. See my dear children, we are going to solve one more problem, that is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. It is also selected for 2 marks question. How to justify? Justify your answer. This is comes under reasoning and proof. Okay. So in this, let log 2. Here nothing is given, base 10. We can consider it as 10. So log to the base 10 is equal to x. Now we have to prove that x is a rational or irrational. We have to verify. Okay. So that this logarithmic function can be written as, according to definition of the logarithm, log into the base a is equal to x, then it can be written as n is equal to 10 to the power of x. So from this, therefore 2 is equal to 10 to the power of x. Is it possible? 2 is equal to 10 to the power of x. Is it possible to express 2 as 10 to the power of x? Can you express? No, but we cannot write that. But we can't write 2 as 10 to the power of x for any real value of x. For any real value of x. So that is log 2 rational or irrational? So that it is not a rational. For any value of x we cannot write. So that we cannot express 2 as 10 power x for any value of x. So that x is not rational. x is not rational. Then what is x? Therefore x is an irrational. That means log 2 is an irrational number. It is not rational. If it is rational, we can write it as something. We will get x value. Okay, but here we are not getting x value. We are unable to express 2 as 10 power x. Is it clear? So that log is an irrational. But suppose if I take log 100, is it rational or irrational? See. Same. Here nothing is given base 10. Consider it as x. Then it can be expressed as in exponential form like this. 100 is equal to 10 to the power of x. Now can you express or can you write 100 as 10 power x? Yes, it is possible. How? 100 can be written as 10 to the power of 2, that is equal to 10 to the power of x. Here base is equal, middle is equal to sign, then power is equal. Yes, therefore x is equal to 2. Now we found x value easily. So that is it rational or irrational? 2 is an irrational, rational number. Therefore log 100 is also rational. Like this we have to solve this type of question. Just we have to consider this is equal to x and we have to try to find the value of x. Is it possible or not? We have to check. If it is possible, then the given logarithmic of given number is rational or else it is an irrational. Is it clear? Right. So practice these questions thoroughly. Prepare well. Thank you.